Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make cauliflower rice. And so cauliflower rice is one of those things that you can buy at the store, but you can easily make it at home, and it will be faster, easier, more fun, and a lot easier on your wallet. So before we get into the way that I like to do my cauliflower rice, that's wallet, hold on. Okay, so first you can use a grater. So probably the grater that you have in your house is a box grater. And I don't know about you, but I'm a little scared of my box grater. I don't like this motion. I don't like how my fingers are in contact with all of those sharp holes. So whenever I need to use something that needs the outcome of a box grater, I use a rotary grater. And this is cool because you just put like your carrots or cheese or something, and you go like this and all the stuff comes out. That's not really great for cauliflower because cauliflower is a little harder, and this is meant for things that are a little softer. So, grater, box grater, rotary grater. The other option is that you have a food processor. And so a food processor can work okay. What I don't like is that when you use a blade like this, what's gonna happen is that the cauliflower on the bottom is gonna get really small, and then the cauliflower on top is going to stay large. It's not gonna be uniform, it's not gonna be ideal. What is better is if you use a blade like this, and then all of the cauliflower is going to pass through the same holes, and then it's going to be more uniform. What I don't like about that is that it takes a long time because you have to feed all of this cauliflower into the food processor. Now that doesn't seem like a big deal, but I'm going to show you a method which is way easier, way faster, and it's kind of a cool party trick. So we are going to use a blender. Preferably a really high power blender like a Vitamix or a Ninja or a Sharp, or I don't even know what those are. But what we're going to do is something a little tricky. We're going to take our cauliflower, and this is, I would say, a medium cauliflower. Let's take this and we're going to core it first. I wouldn't worry about all of these like these waves here. That doesn't really make a difference. But let's cut this into maybe 6 pieces. Cut each half into thirds, and then I'm going to put, well, maybe one more time. And then we'll put half of the cauliflower in here, and then watch this. I'm going to fill it with water, almost all the way to the top. And then I'm going to put this on the highest settings. When I turn this on, it will be at max velocity. And we're going to do 3 quick pulses. 3. How about another? Okay. And then you have this kind of cauliflower snowy slurry. What is going on? I'll show you. Cauliflower rice is going on. And look. Oops. We got one piece. That's no big deal. And look what we got. Cauliflower rice. So you might have some chunks, and then no big deal, just take that and put it in your next round. All right, and let's finish this up. We're going to take our cauliflower and let's chop it into smaller pieces so we're not left with any remaining little clusters. You got the florets and you got the stems too. You use the whole head of cauliflower. Pop it in. Fill it out up here. I'm going to cover this spout because eject some watery rice and and let's see how we do. Gorgeous. We love a nice, uniform cauliflower rice. Okay, so what now? What do you do with your beautiful cauliflower rice creation? So you could use it like rice. You can use it like fried rice. You can make a cauliflower rice paella. You can mix it with rice if you're trying to cut carbs. You can mix it in mac and cheese and it'll kind of melt in there, and you'll be adding some veggies too. You can add it into a falafel mix if you want to lighten it up so it wasn't so dense. You could do so many things with cauliflower rice. You can mix it in dough to lighten it up. You can fill dumplings with it. I don't know, do whatever you want. Tell me what you use cauliflower rice for, and I'll see you next time.